Need to mute Facebook group notifications? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily turn off Facebook group notification. Start by heading over to your application Facebook. Enter your login credential and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to menu at the bottom right corner. Scroll down and head over to Settings and Privacy. Now move into Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and inside the section of Preferences, head over to Notifications. And then move into Groups. It will be landing you on the specific page. If you don't want to receive any of the notification, then simply toggle off this button, Email and SMS. Once it has been toggled off, you can head over to specific group and then turn off the notification. Click on Off for push notifications. Likewise, do the same process for each and every group, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.